Hey guys, if you want to know what is event loop in the JavaScript, watch this video till the end. I'll make sure that you understand each and every concept within next 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so let's begin. So in JavaScript, first understand this is the call stack. Okay, so it basically a data structure. So whatever goes last, it will come on the first. So leave for order. And remember, guys, JavaScript is a single-threaded synchronous language. It basically do asynchronous tasks, but it's doing everything synchronously. All the asynchronous operations are provided by your web browser. So these are some of the web APIs, the web browser's APIs. It's provided by the browser. So we have the set timeout, DOM API, fetch, and console is also part of the browser. So the fetch is basically to fetch the data from the server. So you have something called as a micro queue, and you have one callback queue. Okay, so all the APIs which supports basically like work on the promise, it will go to this part. Okay, which is micro task queue, and other than that, it will go to the callback queue. Okay, I'm talking about these things. So if you have I have written a program, console log, set timeout, fetch, and the console log. So the execution of this will go like this. It will print the start. After that, immediately it will go to the end, and after that it will print this fetch. Right? I'll explain you in a moment. And after that, it will print the set timeout here, callback history. It printed API CB Netflix. Okay, so the third one. So now let me tell you what happens. As soon as JavaScript reads this program start, okay, it will immediately go to this. Okay, if this has got this set timeout. Okay, so now when this it reads this line set timeout, it will go to this, you know, callback queue, and it will it is also a stack data structure, so it will go and it will set over here, and it will wait over here, okay, until the whole program gets executed. And after that it reads this fetch API. And now to handle this promise, it will go to this micro task queue, and it will also go into this. If we have another fetch API, then it will go behind this. If we have another any set timeout set interval, it will go behind this. And now this event loop over here, it's basically it's the work of this is like take this micro from the micro task, or the micro after execution of the all the micro task gets done, then it will take the things from this callback queue. So if we have fetch two times, then it will make sure that fetch once it gets empty, then it will start to execute this one. And now let me tell you what happens in the call stack. As soon as our whole JavaScript program, like the first time it gets to execute, one global execution context created. Global execution context, I'll make another video of that. Something it looks like this. If I have to show you something like this, which has one memory component, one has code component. So you will have to watch another video for this of mine, or any you can watch on internet. It's basically keeping the data variables. Here it's having the key and the value, and for the function it will have the piece of function code. And it has some creation part and the execution part. So basically just understand that global execution context first is get created. So as soon as it's run the program, it will create one global execution context, and it will store the variable and the variables creation type. So when the global execution context got created, uh, it printed out the start, and set timeout went here, fetch went here, and then third it print the console log. Okay, and it printed start end. And after that, on top of it, we basically not having any functions, so everything just stopped here, and it printed this thing and it printed this thing, and then global execution context gets removed after the whole program gets over.